Hello students, a very good afternoon and welcome back. Let us solve one of the question of JEE Main April 2026, and the question is basically based on the inverse trigonometric function. You can see here the question is, if y equal to cos in bracket what pi by 3 plus cos inverse x by 2, then x minus y the whole square plus 3y square is equal to. So to solve this question, basically what I do here is, यहाँ पे हमें y equal to क्या given है, so that I write. सो कॉस है पाई बाय 3 है, राइट, कॉस पाई बाय 3 प्लस में यहाँ पे क्या है, कॉस इनवर्स एक्स बाय 2 है. सो फर्स्ट आई विल डू व्हाट, यार यहाँ पे मैं कॉस ए प्लस बी का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करूंगा, राइट. कॉस ए प्लस बी का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, दैट इज कॉस ए कॉस बी, कॉस ए कॉस बी माइनस साइन ए साइन बी. दिस फॉर्मूला आई विल अप्लाई हियर, right. And what is a here, if we see in the question, so I just consider pi by 3 as a and cos inverse x by 2 को b मान लेता हूँ मैं, right. तो cos a that is cos pi by 3 हो गई है, right. Cos a cos b, cos a cos b, right. So I write here the cos pi by 3, okay, this is what cos pi by 3, and into what cos ये हो गया cos inverse, right, cos inverse x by 2 cos b minus sin a, so I write here the sin a, that is sin pi by 3, into sin b, so I write here the sin b as cos inverse, b हमारा क्या है, cos inverse x by 2. So we know that cos pi by 3 cos 60 is what, basically 1 by 2, so I write here the 1 by 2, and this is cos inverse, cos inverse is basically x by 2, right. Cos inverse x is x by 2 is x by 2. So minus sin pi by 3 sin 60 is basically root 3 by 2, right. The value of cos pi by sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. For this, what I can do here is sine, and in bracket we have this is cos inverse x by 2. So cos is basically what, cos is basically you can see here the right angle triangle, this angle is basically x by 2, right. So x by 2, I just consider this as b by h, right, b by h. So b is your x, h is your 2, so we can just write this as 2, and this is what x. So we can find this p here, right. So p find करने के लिए क्या, h square minus, simply h square minus b square we can use. So this will be what, 2 square, that is 4 minus x square, right. 4 minus x square is p, right. So I can write this as in terms of sine inverse. So the p by h, so p is what, basically 4 minus x square, you can use this concept pbh formula, divided by what, h, that is 2. Okay, now sin inverse x is x basically, so this will be equal to what, root 4 minus x square by 2. So now I can write this as x by 4 हो गया ये, minus what, root 3 by 2, ये root 3 by 2 हो गया, and this is what, under root 4 minus x square divided by 2. This is equal to y. Now further if we solve this, so what I can write, so we can write here y equal to, you can take the LCM, right, LCM is 4. So I write here the x minus, this is x minus root 3, right, root 3 into what, 4 minus x square, right, divided by 4, right, 4. And so I can just cross multiply here, so this is 4y, right, and this is what, minus x, इसको मैं इधर ले आता हूँ, तो minus x equal to minus root 3 under root what, 4 minus x square. Now squaring both sides, so what I will do here is, I will square both sides. On squaring both sides, so root will be removed, right, on squaring both sides. So 4y minus x the whole square, 4y minus x the whole square, this side minus the whole square is plus 3, root 3 whole square is 3, and root under 4 minus x square whole square is 4 minus x square. Now just expand, I expand this, right, मैं इसको expand करता हूँ, so this is a minus b the whole square, 16y square plus x square, right, minus 2ab, so minus 8xy, right. This side what we have here, the 4 into 3, that is 12 minus what, 3x square. I take everything to the left, so I can write here the 16y square plus x square, this is plus 3x square, so 4y square minus 8xy, right, minus 12 equal to 0. Now we have here in the question what we are exactly asked to find, x minus y the whole square. So to make the x minus y whole square, so I write here the 4y square plus 4y square, this is what, 4x square, right, this is 4x square, x square plus 3x square, 4x square, 4y square plus 4x square, and minus what, 8xy, minus 8xy, so I write here the 12y square, right, 12y square plus 4y square, that is 16y square minus 12, right, equal to 0. Now I take 4 common throughout, so this is what, y square plus x square minus what, minus this is 2xy, right? This is what 3y square and minus 3 equal to 0. Now you can see here 4 will be divided this right hand side, so 0 divided by 4, that is 0, and we are asked here the x minus y whole square, so we can write this x square plus y square minus 2xy as x minus y the whole square, and this is what plus 3y square, right, minus 3 equal to 0. So we are asked basically to find the x minus y the whole square plus 3y square equal to, this minus 3 will go to the right hand side, so this is equal to 3. So the result of this value x minus y the whole square plus 3y square is equal to 3. So answer for this one is 3. 3 is the answer for this question. Hope you are clear with the solution. I will come with the next question and the solution. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.